You can't add too much right now because sometimes it sneaks up on you, you know? And you don't want it to be too dark. Oh, that's looking pretty good. I'll do it a few more minutes. Get a little bit more brown. Yeah. Other than that, it's about time. We gotta wait for it. Gotta wait for it to cook. Gotta cook that chicken. Oh, it's being silly, guys. While it's cooking, I'm gonna quench my thirst with one of these bad boys. That's great. Tell me, how much of you cook and still wipe the stove while you're cooking? I swear. It's either I have a problem or I'm actually normal. Always cleaning up. I swear. There we go. Perfect. Oh boy, you guys are so quiet tonight. What's going on? Why are you so quiet? Why do you guys always want me to do all the talking? I know you miss me. You haven't seen me in a while. You didn't see me yesterday. But you know, when your girl is busy, your girl gotta do what she gotta do. You understand? It's always a pleasure to have you back on my platform. The most important thing is that you keep coming back time and time again to show me your love. I appreciate all of you very much. Very, very much. Appreciate it. Let me let it steam down a little bit more. Guys, I like this one because this one, it has the little bits inside. How many of you like this one with the bits? I prefer this one with the bits. It gives you something to munch on at the end, you know? Okay, so I'm going to turn down my stove a little bit because see how it's boiling up nicely there. I'm going to put it on 4 for now. Then when it dries up, I'll put it a little bit lower. This way, it's nice and good. The color looks good, Reem Star. Good. Thank you so much for the feedback. Christopher. Well, go on, Christopher. Cook boss in the cook boss in the kitchen, Christopher. What I'm making? No, not curry. No curry today. No curry today. That ship has sailed. So today, Christopher, I am making brown stew chicken wings. And that's the goodness of it there. I like that. Cook boss. And I have my veggies here. So I have potatoes, carrots, peppers, and I have some seasonings in there. Just some thyme, because a lot of people don't know what thyme is. I know you know about that stuff. Sounds good, right?